Now problem number 3. So we have a list of activities and the optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic times are given. So now first we're going to compute the expected times, and the formula is A plus 4m plus B over 6. So that will be 2 plus 4 times 5 plus 14 over 6. That's 6. And then 4 plus 4 times 7 plus 10 over 6. That is 7. 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 9 over 6 is equal to 3. Now you see, when A and B are equally farther apart from M, then this formula will give you the midpoint, the M, as your expected time. So you don't have to even calculate what the number is. So like here it will be 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 over 6 will be equal to 2. You don't have to even calculate that. So here again it is equally apart, so we can just say it is equal to 4. And here there is no variability, so this is 6. So now 7 plus 4 times 9 plus 17 over 6 is 10. Then 2 plus 4 times 8 plus 8 divided by 6 is 7. Okay. Now I'm not going to calculate the variances right now. Okay, we'll first figure out what the critical path is, and we need the variance only for the critical path activities. So let's go to the next page. So now we're going to have to draw the network and then work it out. So here is the list of predecessors. So we start. Okay, so there are 2 activities at the beginning. So A, the expected time is 6. B, the expected time is 7. And then C comes after A, and that's 3. And D, the expected time is 2. And then we have E, expected time is 4. And F, the expected time is 6. Okay. Then we have G, the expected time is 10. And G comes after C and E. Then we have H is 7, and the predecessors are D and F. Now we are going to have to cross this arrow, which we really don't want, but we cannot avoid. But we can try to make believe that it is not crossing by going like this. Okay, and then we have finish. Now we can do the forward and backward pass. So start with 0. So I'm going to go over this fast. is 7. So this will be 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 6 is 13. So here we have to do a max of 9 and 11. So you get 11 plus 10 is 21. And here again we have to do a max between 8 and 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. And the max between 21 and 20 gives us 21. Now that 21 is the expected completion time. So now we have to work backwards to find the critical path. So we have 21 minus 7 is 14. Here it is 21 minus 10 is 11. And here it is 14 minus 6 is 8. Here it is 11 minus 4 is 7. For D it is 14 minus 2 is 12. C is 11 minus 3 is 8. And here we have two arrows going out, so we have to do a min between 7 and 8. So that gives us 7 and 0. And here again we have to have a min between 8 and 12, gives you 8. Minus 6 is 2. So here you have a min between 2 and 0. We are back to 0. So now we have a slack of 2, slack of 0, slack of 2, slack of 6, slack of 0, 1, and slack here is 0, and slack here is 1. So we have B, E, and G. So critical path is B, E, and G. Non-critical or A, C, D, F, and H. Now in the next video we'll compute the variance and the probabilities.